Make a great choice today with the 2017 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 1.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.